Hello friends, welcome back. In this particular video we are going to learn about odd number and even number. How do we write a logic? Let's start. I am today let's read the user input from a command. So I'm gonna take a variable a. Input is a keyword, and here write your messages. Enter your favorite number. Okay, so this is the message. Let me save this to my desktop. Even odd.py. There we go. By default, Python treats this input as a string, so I'm typecasting to integer. Now I'm gonna write a logic here. Take if statement. The logic is very simple. If a, divide that by 2. If the remainder is 0, then definitely it is even number. So I'm gonna print that a is an even number. Else I'm printing a is an odd number. It's a very simple logic. A modulus 2, it gives you the remainder. A modulus 2 will give you the remainder, so that is divide by 2 and the remainder. If it is 0, then it will come here and it executes this statement. It is saying it is an even number, else it is going to print it is an odd number. Let's execute this. Python space even odd.py, enter. So it is prompting me to type enter your favorite number. I'll type it is 1 2 3 and it says 1 2 3 is an odd number. That's fine. So let's try with another scenario, even number. So that is let's say 2, because it's an even number. Let's say 0 is an even number. So let's say 45. That's it, your logic is working. So this is about odd even logic. If you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe and please support me. And if you want me to make more complex programs, just leave a comment below. I'll take up that and I'll do it in my next video. See you later.